Hey everybody, I'm Chef Brandon Frohne and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to show you some simple everyday grilling recipes. After a long day, I know how hard it can be to squeeze in dinner, but trust me, all you're gonna need is 30 minutes, some simple tools and ingredients from Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart. Today we are making summer street corn burgers with Wagyu beef patties from Walmart, grilled corn, a little pepper jack cheese, and a simple lime mayo. Let's get to it. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal and I'm setting the temperature to 450. This should only take about 10 minutes until we're ready. Pro tip, to remove the silk off the corn, I got a handy dandy toothbrush. So we're gonna add the corn to the grill. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna caramelize the sugars and the kernels and it's gonna develop a deep smoke flavor. Now we're using a food processor to blend together our lime mayo. What we're gonna do is just remove the charred corn right off the cob. We're gonna mix up our street corn with a little bit of lime mayo and some chopped cilantro. And now we're gonna get our burgers ready for the grill. We're ready to put our burgers on the grill. We're gonna grill them 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until it reaches an internal temperature of 160. Now we're gonna add our cheese and toast our buns. We're gonna assemble our summer street corn burgers with some shredded lettuce and tomato. That's good. The smoke really adds an authentic barbecue flavor to the summer street corn burger. You can find this recipe and other simple 30-minute meals that you can master at home right here. Shop Walmart for the Gravity Series 800 in Kingsford Charcoal. I'll see you next time.